How to make steamed mussels on the Nuwave Duracore 6-quart Dutch oven. Begin by first preheating the Dutch oven on a cooktop. Add oil into the pot. Then add shallots, garlic, and then your seasoning. Next, pour your broth and wine into the pot and bring the contents to a gentle simmer. Once it's ready, add your mussels carefully, and then cover the pot with the lid to allow the mussels to steam. After about 5 to 6 minutes of steaming, remove the lid and transfer the steamed mussels into a bowl. Be sure to check that all the mussels are open and discard any closed ones. Pour the rest of the broth over the mussels. Garnish the dish with some lemon wedges and chopped parsley, and the steamed mussels are now ready to serve. Enjoy!
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.